Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Ma Moon. You've been feeling overwhelmed, anxious, insecure, depressed, angry, fearful, or perhaps even loving. You're not alone. We gotta breathe together across time and space, sending you a big hug, sending you love. Getting into a comfortable seated position. You can be lying down, whatever position you're in, just making sure your back is straight as possible. I appreciate you joining me today, and if you stick around for the full episode, I promise you're going to feel more calm, more present. The past is past. The past is history. The future is a mystery, and the present is a gift, which is why we call it the present. Dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing the belly, relaxing your face with a subtle smile, smiling at the fact that, well, you live to see another day. Not everybody can say that from yesterday. You're listening to this. You live to see another day. It won't always be that way. Feeling the preciousness of your life, new opportunities to create, new opportunities to heal, new opportunities to forgive, new opportunities to celebrate, to enjoy. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and sigh out the mouth. Breathing in new life, new energy, and releasing, letting go. Breathing in love for yourself. Holding that love inside. And exhaling. Letting go of fear. Coming back into trust in the unfolding of life. Trusting in the unknown. Trusting in the abundance of uncertainty that we face. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling. Exhale. good, my friends. Stay with me. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in slower and softer. Exhaling even slower, even softer. Dropping the shoulders, relaxing the belly, relaxing the jaw, the lips, the forehead. You're safe to close the eyes, looking inside, witnessing and welcoming your thoughts, any anxiety that's still lingering, any discomforts in the body, welcoming it like an old friend. Breathing in through the nose, holding at the top, and exhale, releasing. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, holding the breath at the top, and exhale. Looking inside yourself, keeping the body as still as possible while letting your mind be totally free, letting your breath be free, witnessing and welcoming. Very nice, my friend. Way to stick with it. Shaking out the body. letting your body be free to move around and adjust. Coming back into this present moment, letting go of thoughts. Breathing in through the nose. And exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in trust. And exhaling insecurities, feeling negativity, leave the mind, leave the body. Breathing in love for your body. Exhaling love for your mind. Breathing in love for your anxiety. Exhaling love for any anger. Coming back into compassion for the suffering that we go through. Sending love to the people in our life. Feeling a subtle gratitude bubbling up in the heart, spreading throughout the body, melting away tensions, negativity. Inhaling through the mouth. And exhale with a sigh. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhaling new life, new energy. Exhale, releasing past, releasing future. Feeling rooted in this moment, rooted in your body. Inhaling. Exhaling. Opening your heart, opening your mind as you breathe in slower and softer. Exhaling. The color for today is pink. The number is 63. Animal is a baby pig. Always wanted one of those. Relaxing the face, relaxing your hands, your feet, feeling your belly relax, feeling your jaw relaxed. Feeling present in the moment, knowing that you're beyond the anxieties, beyond the anger, beyond the boredom, the restlessness, the tiredness, beyond all of the obstacles that you face. Remembering that what's difficult is often be precious, and what's precious is oftentimes very difficult. So embracing the difficulties of today as something precious, something to be welcomed, to be accepted, to be embraced. I thank you for joining me across time and space, taking one last deep breath in for now. Exhaling, letting go. Sending you a big hug. Wishing you good fortune on your path, prosperity, unexpected blessings. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.